The story behind super glue is more fascinating than you'd imagine. We use super glue for countless quick DIY repairs daily. But how does this incredible instant adhesive actually work? It's a marvel of chemistry, bonding materials with surprising speed. Today, we dive deep into super glue's scientific secrets. Prepare to understand its unique chemical bonding process. This knowledge will enhance your everyday repair projects. Super glue's discovery was a complete accident. Surprisingly, Dr. Harry Coover made the initial finding in 1942. He worked for Eastman Kodak, seeking clear plastic gun sights. Cyanoacrylates were simply too sticky for his original purpose. Coover initially dismissed these extremely adhesive compounds. Years later, in 1951, he revisited his sticky discovery. Super glue is primarily made of cyanoacrylate monomers. These small molecules are highly reactive, seeking stability. They undergo a process called anionic polymerization quickly. This means monomers link together, forming long polymer chains. These long chains create a powerful, interlocking plastic mesh. The result is an incredibly strong, rigid adhesive bond. It's truly a nanoscale engineering feat in action. This critical polymerization reaction needs a specific trigger. That trigger is often tiny amounts of water, believe it or not. Hydroxyl ions from water vapor initiate the bonding process. They act as catalysts, attracting those reactive monomers. This explains why dry environments sometimes hinder bonding. Your skin's natural moisture also causes instant sticking. A truly fascinating chemical interaction is at play. Once cured, super glue forms robust covalent bonds. These chemical bonds are among the strongest known. They resist shear forces, holding materials tightly together. Super glue works best on non-porous, close-fitting surfaces. Plastic, ceramics, glass, and metals bond exceptionally well. However, it can become brittle and crack under impact. Different formulations offer varying degrees of flexibility. Understanding this helps select the right glue every time. Super glue's uses extend far beyond simple home fixes. During the Vietnam War, medics used it for emergency wounds. It rapidly sealed cuts, stopping bleeding effectively then. Specialized medical cyanoacrylate adhesives are still used today. They close surgical incisions and treat certain injuries. Forensic scientists use it to lift fingerprints efficiently.
It reacts with residues, forming visible white prints.
This versatile chemical has truly revolutionized many fields. Its scientific journey is undeniably remarkable and impactful. So super glue isn't just sticky, it's a scientific marvel. Its accidental discovery led to widespread practical applications. Understanding its chemistry empowers better, informed DIY choices. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.